Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a brow video, so don't mind my brows. I literally got them tint like literally today, so that's why they look like that. So I'm starting with the Angle Brow Brush by Benefit, and then the other side is a spoolie, so I'm using the spoolie to kind of put my brows down. And then I'm using the Brow Sid Pro palette, and I love how it has so many different shades to work with. And I'm using medium deep, and I'm gonna use the warm medium brown to fill in my brows, and I'm going back to using that Angle Brow Brush by Benefit to fill them in. So then after, I'm gonna go and use my Goof brow pencil in the color 4. So I love this specific pencil just because it has an angle and I have more control how I want the shape of my brows to be. I like them a little bit thicker, and I just want them to be super defined. So that's why I go and I use this specific brow pencil because it works wonders and it's amazing. So what I like to do is I like to fill in the brows with the pencil, and I use the spoolie part just to make them more natural. I brush them in just to make sure that there's no sparks with my brows, and I go back and forth to both until I'm really satisfied with the look of my brows. So next, after I'm done filling in my brows, I'm going to go with this Benefit Concealer, Cold Cakeless Concealer. So basically what I like to do after I'm done with filling in my brows, I like to go with a concealer, and I'm using the color number 4, and I'm going to go underneath my brows and making sure that everything looks super neat, and also making sure that my brows are more defined. I feel like the more defined the brows look, the better, because it makes, even with any makeup, it gives them more of a statement. And I love how easy it blends with the concealer, making sure that everything looks neat. And it looks super smooth and it blends really well, the concealer. So lastly, after I'm done cleaning my brows, I'm going to use the Benefit Gimme Brow in number 4. So I love this because you can use this to make sure that your brows stay in place. So I like to brush them up, give them more of a sparse look. And I also love how small this brush is, so it really gets underneath the brow, making sure everything looks neat and more sparse up. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!